What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike and this is Living with 3M. This is Legend in the background, and today we're going to talk about tires and offsets and what will fit your truck, just to give you a little shot. Okay fellas, there's a look at my setup in the width. If you're thinking about tires and wheels and lifts and all that, I've got a 7-inch ready lift, and the wheel is a hostile sprocket with a negative 44 offset. So that's 12 inches wide with a negative 44 offset. So that's 20 by 12, negative 44. So it's going to stick out, I'm guessing about 4 to 5 inches. So we'll go over here and see the same thing, and look at this little experiment I've got set up back here for you guys. Okay, this is a mud tire on a factory spare, so that's a factory spec wheel, and that's a 35 by 1250, and as you can see, that's a 35 by 1350 that I'm running. So you guys with 1250s, you can see the difference, but the wheel does make the difference in a 12-inch wide versus a factory, which is, I'm not sure, 8, 8.5 or 9, something like that. All right guys, I also want to mention a good friend of mine, Coyote Mike. He's out in Texas. Just wanted to mention him. If you can't find anything Ford F-150 related with me, he's got it. I'm telling you. He got me started on YouTube. Very knowledgeable and a very good guy. So if you guys would give him a hit, that's Coyote Mike. Look him up on YouTube and you won't be sorry, I promise. Okay, so we've talked offset, wheel size, tire size. Tell you a little bit about the tires. That's the Toyo open country mud terrain, and I'm gonna tell you guys, it is one of the quietest tires on the highway. Can't even hear it from inside or outside really all that much, and the wear is really good, and it's one of the widest tires in its class. And if you guys will do research, you'll know that 35 by 1250 is not always a 35 by 1250. Different manufacturers rate them differently, so they may be an inch off, you know, wider or narrower each time. And just to tell you, the hostile sprockets like mine come in a milled version. That's the black with the polished inserts, so that's called milled, M-I-L-L-E-D, or you can get it in chrome. I'm pretty sure you can get it in chrome. I'm not sure about fully polished, but I'm thinking chrome. The full black, which I'm not a big fan of the full black. It needs a little something for contrast in there, which is why I did the milled. So you got, I think, 3 options: chrome, milled, and full black. So just to give you guys a little video on that. All right fellas, that about covers the tire and wheel video for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, let me know. I'll try and help you as best I can with my experience and my setup. Anything else, we'll have to figure out together. I'm not sure. I've always thought about switching up and going to 22 by 14s, but I like a little sidewall. I would definitely have to go up in sidewall. But do not forget, follow, like, subscribe. Also check out Coyote Mike. You will not be sorry. Thanks guys, have a good one.